all elements exist as atoms or as molecules that can be broken down into atoms. And it's these atoms that make up Mother Nature's building blocks. Analogous to a Lego set. In the periodic chart shown, there's 103 elements. There's more than 103 elements, but we'll use this periodic chart regardless. So think about each of the 103 elements as being represented by a Lego block of a particular size and a particular color. And if those are atoms, the way you build a molecule is to, well, snap some of those atoms together. Actually, Lego blocks have been used for just that purpose. For example, consider that these Lego blocks represent atoms of these elements. You can snap an oxygen and two hydrogens together to make water, just as Mother Nature takes one oxygen atom and puts two hydrogen atoms on it to make water. And so Mother Nature snaps together atoms to make everything from very simple molecules to the extremely complex molecule, such as DNA. So complicated and so big is DNA that it contains information, enough information to fill up a set of encyclopedias. Enough information stored in the arrangement of individual atoms to build a human body. Your DNA has all of the information it needs to build you. And so the punchline is, whether you're building the simplest of molecules or the most complex molecule in the universe, all are made from the same set of building blocks.